Okay, good everyone. In today's video, I'm going to do a demonstration on how to actually remove an iCloud from an iPad. This is an iPad. I think this is iPad 4. This is an iPad 4, but iPad 4 16 gig. It has an iCloud on it, which the owner was not able to identify, and because of this, there is no way to install or download apps because already it has somebody else Apple ID on it. And meanwhile, this iPad is a Wi-Fi iPad. It doesn't use any SIM card at all, so it connects to the internet through the Wi-Fi. So today I'm going to demonstrate on how to actually easily remove this iCloud here. A customer just brought it in now today. So meanwhile, this demonstration that I'm going to do today only supports iPad devices that doesn't use SIM card. That is iPad device that's only Wi-Fi enabled. I don't know if you are getting me. So this demonstration today supports only those type of iPad. So today, what we are going to need to make this thing work is this young man here, iRepair. That's what we are going to need to get this job done. This is what we are going to need. It's a very, very powerful software here. Very, very powerful software. You can buy this in the market, but it's pretty much expensive. I don't know how much is now in the market. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to first of all put this device on DFU mode, which is what I'm about to do now. So I'll open my 3 U2s to be able to see or know when it has entered the DFU mode. And we are going to use first of all this USB Lightning cable from Oraimo, and after that we are also going to use this particular one. This particular one came with this. It came with this together with this. So without much time, since our 3 U2s has opened, let me locate and plug this device. Okay, first. So as you can see now, I have plugged it. So let's wait for it to connect to the PC. Okay, as you can see now, it has successful connect. So actually there are two ways of doing this. Number one is to do a bypass, which means I can jailbreak this device now and delete the iCloud from there. But that method also has terms and conditions, in the sense that you cannot erase or update your phone or your iPad if you do it that way. Okay, basically this device supports jailbreak here, but this is not what we are going to do. I have a tutorial on that, how to remove an iCloud from any phone that supports jailbreak. I'll put the link down below. Now let's put it on DFU mode. So to put it on DFU mode, we are going to make use of this power button here and this middle button here. So let's go there, hold two of them together. As I'm holding two of them together, okay, I'm going to remove my hand on the power button now, holding only the middle button, now. As you can see, the iPad is on DFU mode now. As you can see now, it says that the iPad is on DFU mode. So now we are done with this cord. We are now done with this cord now. This Oraimo Lightning USB. So now it's time to open or plug our iRepair box. It's now time to open plug our iRepair box. This type C. I'll connect it now. You can hear the noise. I have plugged it. So let's open the software for it. The software for it is okay, look at it here. I'm going to open it right away, and we are going to agree the terms and conditions. That is it. Okay, if we look here now, it says that the device is connected. What it means is that this box here now is connected. So if I unplug it now, you see it will disconnect. It's showing disconnected here. So once I plug it back, it will now show connected. So this is how you know that your device is connected to the GUI interface. So next thing now is that I'm going to now plug in this and connect this device. Remember, this device is on DFU. Then another thing is here now, and that thing is here. If I plug it here, it will be detected here now. So let me plug it now. As you can see now, our device now is on DFU mode. So I'm going to click the mouse here. Let me click my mouse here now. I'm going to click the mouse here. Let me click on it. Firmware not supported. I don't think so. Okay. As you can see now, it's ready. So let's hold on and see what's happened next. So now it's going to put this device on purple mode. As you can see now, let's see now. As you can see, the device now is on purple mode, in the sense that this mode it is now is where we can actually work on. So now this mode now allows us to do some changes. So here now we are going to focus on changing this serial number on this device now. Here we are going to change this side that says serial number. We are going to edit that to how the serial number that works. Mind you, this for educational purpose. It's not advisable for you to go about and start changing serial number of any device you see. It is for educational purpose, and I'm not going to be held responsible for any damage you caused yourself or the process of trying out this demonstration for educational purpose only. So I'm going to change this serial number here. As you can see, I've imputed another one, C39GR0 DMD TDM. So I'm going to click on write here. I'm going to write it to the write here. As you can see, it says write OK. So look at the first serial number that was here, which is this one, I'm choosing, and let me query it and see. This is the one that we have changed now. As you can see, this one we have changed. So I'm going to exit from this device, from this software now. So as I've exited, our device will now boot normal. So we are done with this eye repair. We are done with it. So we'll wait for this device to boot up. We'll wait for it to boot up so that we'll continue from where we stopped. Okay. As you can see now, the device did reset himself. As you can see, it did reset himself by your own self. So what we need to do here is we need to plug back the Oraimo USB cable. We need to plug it back here and connect it back to the system. Connect back to the system and open back these 3 UTs here, so that we can see what's going on inside this device. I'm going to trust it now. Trust. You can see what's actually going on this device. So now, as you can see now, the device is now, look at the serial number we changed, and the device now is now asking for activation. It's now asking for activation. So I'm going to hook up this system to the internet, because before now I didn't connect it to the internet. Okay, let me see if, okay, we are having internet now. So let's try and activate and see what happens if we activate. Wow. Wow. It keeps saying fail to activate. Okay, right now we need to restore the device, and I'm going to download this file here using this 2D tool. So let me see if we have it here. So we have it here. Let me import iPad 32.10. I think it's supposed to be on this flash drive. iPad iPad 32. Okay. Okay, look at it here. Look at it here. This is the file. So we are going to restore this iPad now. So first of all, let's put it on what we call recovery mode. Recovery mode, which is this. This is a kind of iTunes mode, whereby this mode now will allow this it will prepare this device on a flash mode for flashing. As you can see now, look at it now. So we'll go to flash. I've imported this file and we'll flash everything out. We are going to flash out every damn thing on this device now. So we are going to hold on for it. We are going to hold on for it for a while. So you can see the device has been restored. You can see the message here. Congratulations, clean restored. So if I go to here, our iPad is loading now. Look at it. The restore is done now. It is now loading. So we are going to hold on a little bit and allow it to finish loading. I'm going to hold on a little bit and allow it to finish loading now. So okay, now it has finished booting up. It has finished booting up. Let's try and activate it again and see if it's going to activate. Let's see if it will actually it's still giving this issue of fail. This issue of fail. So finally, guys, it has activated. Now look at it here. It has activated finally. So if I go to these settings now, if I go to settings and see it now, it's iCloud free now. So actually we changed a couple of serial number to get the working one. So this is how to change or remove iCloud from every iPad. Actually, this is a total unlock. It's not a bypass because I can easily erase this device and activate it back without having iCloud issues. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe this video if you find it interesting. Please help us to grow. Share and like. Thank you.